Some of you may remember this pesky door switch. The unlock button doesn't work. So we're going to run through and replace it in less than a minute. $7 millimeter there and a clip right there. This is the one that came off the Tahoe. This is the new one I bought. They both have different color trim, so I'm just going to swap out the trim, then we'll get back to putting the switch in. Alright, so we accomplished a few things on Laura today. First of which is a brand new door switch. Now, everything works on the switch like it should. Plus, take a look at this. We fixed the sunroof. Would you know that it only happened to be a fuse? How often do you run into that? That fix was almost too easy to be true. And finally, take a look at the dash. No TPMS lights. While Dylan had Laura up at the shop, he put brand new TPMS sensors in there and programmed them. So now we've got absolutely no lights on Laura's dash. Now I'd say that's a win. We've got a sunroof that works now. We've got brand new TPMS sensors. And we've got a door switch that functions correctly and it will unlock the doors. So on to the next. Next stop is the body shop. Her revival is almost done.